Well, this morning we're out here at Greenbush and we are hanging out with Emily Roth, who's the Camp and Enrichment Coordinator here at Greenbush. And Emily, we've been talking about Big Brothers and Big Sisters because it's an organization that you're involved with as a big, and you and Haley, your little, do all sorts of stuff, but it doesn't have to cost money to do these things. And you immediately point to an empty Dr. Pepper bottle, 2 of them, and then balloon. I mean, what do you have here and what are we doing?
So these are all things that you can find at home. Most homes will have some vinegar, some baking soda, and maybe a pop bottle. It doesn't have to be a 2 liter, it could be 1 liter, it could just be, you know, one of the small sizes.
Right.
So let's go ahead and get started. You can go ahead and pick whatever size balloon you want. I've got 3 different sizes here.
Okay.
And then we're gonna take this funnel. And again, you don't have to have a funnel at home. Go ahead and put the balloon over the funnel.
Okay.
If you just have like a piece of paper that you can roll up, you can use that as well. Then we're gonna take a tablespoon. We're gonna get a tablespoon of baking soda, pour it in that funnel.
Okay. Just like Simon says.
It is.
Okay. And pour
Yep,
it in
just
there?
pour it in there.
Okay.
And then let all of that baking soda fall into the bottom
Yeah,
of your balloon.
I think it's in there.
All right, so we're gonna put that to the side really quickly. And then the next thing that we're going to do is you need about 1 cup of vinegar. And when you're with your little, you can always experiment. You can put more or less in there. I'm gonna put about 200 milliliters in there, which again, that's 240 milliliters is about 1 cup. And if you just have a 1 cup measuring cup, that will work.
Yeah.
We are gonna pour this into our 2-liter bottle. Sometimes this can get messy, but also that's part of the fun.
I'm very curious to see what's about to happen here because I have a feeling, but I don't want to make any assumptions. All right.
All right, so the next step, we're gonna take this balloon off. So I just pinch it right here and roll that edge off with my other finger. We're gonna put it on the top of our 2-liter.
Oh boy.
Awesome, and then we'll lift this up and watch the magic happen.
Anyway, oh. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen?
Will it explode?
I don't know.
That
You
is
tell
the
me.
question.
Does that often happen?
So I have yet to find the perfect combination to make this balloon explode.
Okay.
However,
That's good.
that's part of the excitement of doing these experiments with your little. You can always use more vinegar, more baking soda, and just experiment with what will work best to attempt to make this balloon explode.
This is beautiful. Really quickly, explain the science behind what's going on.
So vinegar is an acid, and baking soda, we put baking soda in a lot of the foods that we eat, like pancakes and muffins and cakes.
Right.
And the thing that makes them so fluffy is either baking soda or baking powder, because when it reacts with an acid like vinegar, it creates carbon dioxide bubbles that rise up into your balloon.
That is too cool. Emily, thank you for showing us this.
Absolutely.
And I understand we've got more to do here this morning, correct?
So much more.
All right, we're going to continue to be hanging out with Emily here at Greenbush. We're going to be talking about Big Brothers, Big Sisters, and we'll have information about both Greenbush and Big Brothers, Big Sisters on our website. I'll be right back on the KOA Morning News after this.